Hello, this is Sarah Meehan with Concentrus. Today I'm bringing you a short and sweet tip on a great new feature coming in 2020.2, which is related to installment payments. So if you are using installment payments where you break up an invoice into multiple even or sometimes uneven installments, this is a feature that you may have been asking for. As the native functionality exists today, the tax amount, whatever tax is due on the invoice, is included in the first installment by default, and there's no way to change that preference. But as of 2020.2, you can actually define when tax is collected on an installment. So let me start by enabling installments, and wanted to show this part because a lot of people don't know that they have this functionality native and available to them in their environment. So if you are not using installments today, and it's something that you need to do from a business process standpoint, it's easy to enable. If you come to enable features and on the accounting tab, you'll find down here installments. All you have to do is check that box and installments will become available to you. Okay, now that I have installments, what I need to do is set up my installment term. So it's just like setting up any other terms for your account. It's done in the same place, which is under Setup, Accounting, Accounting Lists. And I've already filtered to the terms in my environment. So when this loads, I will see terms, but if you haven't and you see all, and you see a giant list, all you have to do is come here and change the filter to terms, and that will just give you a list of the terms values. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and set up a new term. So we'll call this even installments. Okay, so the first one is going to be due at 30 days. I'll mark it as an installment. It's going to be monthly, and it's going to recur 11 times, repeating every 1 month. These options here allow you to define whether you are paying tax upfront or not. So what this is going to do, the first preference here is splitting the amount evenly over the 12 installments. So I can uncheck that and do a distinct calculation here. Or, actually, let me adjust this. So there should be 12 here. There we go. Or I can just have it defined where it splits evenly automatically. And if I uncheck this box here, it will allow the tax to be split evenly across the invoices. If I check this, it will charge the customer 100% of the tax on the first installment. So the first installment would be inflated in this scenario. So all I need to do is save, and then I can select this like a normal term on my invoice, and that will automatically set up the installment. So I've done another video on installments. So if this is new to you, definitely take a look at that. But this new feature definitely is something that people have been asking for, so I'm excited to see it included. Hopefully you found that helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.